Hello everyone and welcome back to CodeChef. In today's video, we are exploring a very important topic in C++, that is logical operators. Logical operators help your program make smart decisions by combining or modifying conditions. They come into play when you want your code to check more than one condition at a time, or when you want to reverse the result of a condition. Let us understand how they work and how you can use them efficiently in your programs.
Let's start with the introduction. Logical operators are used to connect two or more conditions and produce a result that is either true or false. They are especially useful when working with if statement, loop, or any situation where decision making is involved. C++ provides three main logical operators: logical AND, logical OR, and logical NOT. Let's start with logical AND operator. The logical AND operator is denoted by two AND signs in C++ and is used to combine two or more conditions. It returns true only if both conditions are true, and even if one condition is false, the entire expression becomes false. Now let's have a look at the syntax. Condition 1, logical AND operator, condition 2 and semicolon. So here if both condition 1 and condition 2 are true, only then the result will be true, otherwise it will be false. Now let's have a look at an example that uses the logical AND operator on the CodeChef platform. The objective of this program is checking voting eligibility, and the expected output is eligible to vote : 1. Let's get on to the code. Hash include IOStream using namespace std, semicolon, then int main. Now inside int main, we have declared and initialized a variable which is of type boolean. So bool is over 18 is equal to true, semicolon. The value of this boolean variable is over 18 is true. Then the second variable bool is citizen is equal to true, semicolon. Then we have declared another variable can vote. So bool can vote is equal to is over 18, then logical AND operator, and is citizen, semicolon. So here we have applied two conditions. If both of these are true, only then the value of variable can vote will be true, which is denoted by 1 in the output. And if it is false, then it is denoted by 0 in the output. So then cout in double inverted commas eligible to vote : and then can vote. So as we can see, the value of is over 18 is true and the value of is citizen is also true. So since both the values are true, the value of can vote variable will be true, which will be denoted by 1 in the output. ENDL and semicolon, then return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Eligible to vote : 1. Next is logical OR operator. The logical OR operator is denoted by these two vertical lines in C++. It is used to combine two or more conditions, but this operator is more flexible because it returns true if at least one of the conditions is true, which makes it different from the logical AND operator. It only becomes false when both conditions are false. Let's have a look at the syntax. Condition 1, then logical OR operator, condition 2 and semicolon. So here if both condition 1 and condition 2 are false, only then the result will be false, otherwise it will be true. Let's have a look at the CodeChef platform to see an example of how to use logical OR operator in C++. Program objective is discount eligibility check using OR operator, and the expected output is discount available ? and 1. Coming to the code, hash include IOStream using namespace std, semicolon, int main. Then bool is student is equal to true, semicolon. Another variable, bool is holiday is equal to false, semicolon. Then we have applied the condition using a new variable, has discount. So bool has discount is equal to is student, then logical OR operator, and is holiday, semicolon. So what we discussed earlier is that when the value of both the variables is false, only then the output will be false. Here the value of is student is true, while the value of is holiday is false. True and false make true. Cout, then in double inverted commas, is discount available, question mark. Then the value of has discount, which is true. So it will be denoted by 1 in the output. ENDL and semicolon. Then return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Is discount available, question mark, and 1, which is exactly similar to the expected output. Last but not the least is logical not operator. Logical not operator is denoted by an exclamation mark in C++. It is a unary operator, which means it works on just one condition and it simply reverses the truth value, which means if a condition is true, it returns false, and if it is false, then it returns true. Having a look at the syntax, it is exclamation mark or not operator, condition and semicolon. Let's go to the CodeChef platform to see how to use logical not operator in C++. The program objective is door logged status, and the expected output is the door logged, question mark, and 0. Hash include IOStream, then using namespace std, semicolon, int main, then inside main, bool is door logged is equal to true, semicolon. Then bool is door unlogged is equal to not operator is door logged, semicolon. So if you see what is the value of this variable is door logged, it is true. And we have applied not operator here, which means it will reverse the value of the variable is door logged. So the value of is door unlogged will be false. Cout in double inverted commas is the door unlocked, question mark. Then the value of is door unlocked will be printed, which is false. So it will be displayed as 0 in the output. Then ENDL and semicolon. Return 0 and the main function ends here. Now let us run the program to see the output. Is the door unlocked and 0.
And that wraps up our discussion on logical operators in C++. Now you know how to use them to control conditions and make your program think logically. Do not forget to practice using these concepts on the CodeChef platform to learn them like a pro. Thank you so much for watching.